Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 3rd to the 17th. Before we get to the forecast, we're going to take a look at the wildfires in Colorado. Here's a video that was sent to me. I have a friend that lives in Colorado.
God help us. Huh? Did you guys just see that?
This is a densely populated area, residential area, as you can see here, from what I'm told. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the current conditions in Colorado. Let me get to the map. These are the current wind gusts. We still have some gusts up to near 40 miles per hour in some places. And then we're going to take a look here at the temperatures that we have. This is very cold air moving down south into the center of the nation. See, we have -5, 10 degrees, -5, -14, -19. This is -20 up here on the border of North Dakota and Canada. So this is very cold air, which we'll talk about when we get through the period. Now we're going to talk about the forecast period for January 3rd to the 7th. This is what we're forecasting the pattern look like. We still have a ridge here near Alaska, and we have this trough that slides eastward, and our ridge over the Caribbean weakens. As you go through the period, watch it, it shrinks. And we have above normal heights in the east. Now, talking about the system that might be affecting the region during this period, during this Sunday, Monday period, this is GFS, continues to be the most north and spreading precipitation that will be in the form of snow further to the north. And if we look at the other models, it keeps it more to the south, and the GFS continues to be the outlier. Even look at the NAM, keeps it even further to the south. And then we look at the National Blend of Models, shows some precipitation moving in this for Sunday. And then we'll go into Monday. It has light rain, light precipitation, so whatever we get, it'll probably be light, but I think the other models might be right, but we'll still keep an eye on that. Getting back to the forecast now. We will have cold Canadian high pressure system moving into the center of the nation and behind the cold front that exits the east, and the coastal low lifts off the east coast, the Atlantic coast. Then we're going to have a surface low develop here in the northern plains. You can see right here. And that'll be Tuesday and Wednesday with another surge of Arctic air in its wake. And this is the potential for heavy snow threats spreading from the Great Lakes states to New England. And then wait, I'm losing my spot. Then we'll have a series of Pacific systems that'll move into the west, and this will spread the threat of heavy snow from the Great Basin to Northern California and the Northwest. We're going to look at the period now for January 8th to the 12th. The pattern doesn't change very much. We still have a broad trough across the country, and a ridge remains near Alaska as a ridge builds in the east, in the west. This ridge will build in the west, and we have a zone of flow almost across the southern states. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees. Below normal, above normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region, probability of occurrence is 40%, and below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking ahead to the period for January 13th to 17th, the pattern might start to get a little more amplified as we have this upper low here. It starts to sink southward. I'll show you that as we go through the motion. See, it's sinking southward very slowly, bringing a trough here in the east, ridge in the west. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures for the northern states here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures forecast here, with the anomalies near 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast for this region and for this area, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 3rd, for January 3rd to the 17th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.